Hello boys and girls, this is a quick PowerPoint to help you write your sentences. This week we're going to do sentence dictation. What that means is Miss Megan is going to tell you some sentences. You need to listen to them and write them down. There are some steps to success that I'm going to show you, ways that can help you with your sentence writing. So here are the steps to success. There are 4 steps, as you can see. All these are going to help you. So, step 1 is I can listen to the sentence 3 times. What that means is I'm going to say the sentence 3 times. You need to listen to the sentence every time really carefully. For example, I might say, the cat is sat on the mat. I've said that once. Then I'll say it again. The cat is sat on the mat. Then I will say it one more time. Number 3, the cat is sat on the mat. When you've listened to the sentence 3 times, the next thing for you to do is I can say the sentence 3 times. So you would copy what I say. So you would say, the cat is sat on the mat. The cat is sat on the mat. The cat is sat on the mat. You would say it 3 times. Then we are going to count how many words are in the sentence. We're going to use our fingers and count. The cat is sat on the mat. 7 words in our sentence. The cat is sat on the mat. 7 words. When you have listened to the sentence 3 times, when you can say the sentence 3 times and you've counted how many words there are, then you're ready to write the sentence. When you're writing your sentence, there are 3 things you need to remember. At the beginning of our sentence, we always use a capital letter. We always use a big letter. If the sentence is, the torch is on, we would use a big T, not a little t. We line up sensibly. It is a capital W, not a small w. Then we need to remember our finger spaces. After every word, we put a finger space. We would write the, then a finger space, cat, then a finger space, and so on. And then at the end of our sentences, very important to say that we've stopped, we need to put a full stop at the end of our sentences. These are the 3 things you need to remember when you're writing your sentences. I will send you and your mummies and daddies this page as a picture and this page as a picture. So you can look back to them whenever you want, when you need help. So you're reminded to listen, say, count and write, and you're reminded for your capital letters, your finger spaces and your full stops. Good luck with your sentence writing, and remember, these are your top tips to help you.